Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you another product which you can promote in using Microsoft Bing ads and get a really good amount of traffic. And the keyword, it's a really selling keyword that we can use. Let's get started. Here in affiliate marketplace, you just type in home doctor. All right, and what you can find here is this home doctor brand new, and as you can see, it has got 50 gravity score, which is selling quite decent, and we can get a decent amount of commission per sale that we made. It's 37.94. And what good about this product is if you go to the sales page, and as you can see, it has got a pretty good sales page, and lots of information that we can use to create our landing page. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, as you can see here, it's got lots of information. So if you send your customer here, your client here, it's probably they're gonna be more interested in buying the entire book, PDF book, because of the information being provided here in the landing page. All right, and if you scroll down more, as you can see, we can easily sell this product because it is only $37. So most of the people who are really willing to buy a guide on about this topic, home doctor, it's not very hard for them to pay $37. And what we need to do here is send traffic to this sales page. Okay, so in order to do that, we really need to have a landing page, because we cannot use directly the sales page that home doctor is providing. So again, we will be using the pagepro.com. So it's just sign in with your free account. Okay, and then we create a landing page really quick. So in 2 minutes, we'll be able to formulate a landing page for this product, home doctor. So what we can do here is grab the title. It's home doctor. Okay, so do that, home doctor, and then of course the path will be home doctor. And then here we can have the bullet section and the article section. So continue to purchase book, that's what we can tell, so that they'll be able to click the button if they are interested to buy the product. And then do that on here, and then select a color. So for this one, let's say it's blue, we want blue. All right, and then affiliate link, let's grab that from, of course, very important, here. So create top link. So just stay on this video because I'm going to show you the strategy on how you can get keywords to send traffic to your landing page. Okay, and then click that, and then here we can have some catchy phrase that we can get from here. Okay, it's a perfect phrase that we can put here. And then on the bullet section, of course, we will have something, some headlines here. Here's just a small glimpse of, okay, this is really perfect. Okay, can do that here. Just click this to remove the formatting and add your own formatting here. Okay, now here, very important to add photo of the product. So I think we can use this. Let's see if okay, let's try, let's find good better picture. Okay, I think this one is better. We can have this. Okay, so right click and save that. Okay, and then what we need to do is go back to the editor, and we have the repository here. Click this manage images, and of course, okay, and just use the file name. Come back here and then paste it here. So what we need to do on the bullet points, very easy. So grab some information where we got the headline. So here, so what we can do here is this book is unique. I think we can just have these two. Okay, so very easy. So use a notepad, okay, to easily paste that and remove the formatting, and then go back to the editor, paste that over here. So I think, make sure you don't have a blank space, blank line, and that's it. It's done. Your landing page is almost done. You save the landing page. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, look at that. It's ready ready to get promoted. Okay, so see, almost 2 minutes, less than 5 minutes, we can completely finish our landing page. And we just need to add a little bit of article, which is very easy. You can find articles here. For example, this one, 10 medical supplies, or okay, let's just have this. Okay, again, copy the headline, scroll down and put that over here. Remember to click this to remove your formatting and add your own formatting. Heading 1. Now save some images again. Go back to the sales page. So right click and save this image. Okay, now let's upload it again here. So just browse the image. Okay, let's upload. Alright, just copy the file name. Very simple, and then go back to the editor and paste it here. Now we're almost done, so just grab a little bit of text to put in the article section. Okay, let's have this. Okay, use the notepad again to remove the formatting. Okay, and then copy this one. Again, use the notepad, and we're done. Copy this, go back to the editor. Yep, we're ready to go. And then make sure you put this one so that these two paragraphs will be at the bottom of the image. Okay, and it'll look much better. So save that. Now let's check our landing page. As you can see, it's improved. Okay, it's simple and clear. Okay, so make sure you use a high quality image if you can. So I think this one better to go up there, and use a high quality article as well. Use the textify.com. That's the free article, free content generator, which you can use to, for example, you just need to type this. I'll give you an example. So just copy a keyword and then go to the Textify, and I'll show you here in blog tools, compose blog paragraph, and 10 medical supplies you need to have in your house, and then write a paragraph. Okay, so once it produced the paragraph, so just copy those. You can also add this very nice article as part of your article section. So you can just copy and paste them and modify a little bit if you feel something is missing, or you want to add something, want to add your own touch. So you can do that very easy. So this is again a free AI content generator, the textify.com. You can also go to this keyword tool free if you want to find more keywords related to the offer that you are making, doing. So it's a free keyword tool, research tool, which you can easily, it's a handy, which if you are looking for your article to rank organically, so you can also use this tool to find better keywords. For example, keyword planner, you go here and then type, for example, medical supplies. So it will suggest you some keyword ideas which you can use in your article. Okay, medical supplies. So for example, medical supplies at home. So just scroll down, organize medical supplies at home, must have medical supplies at home. This is a really good keyword which you can put in the Textify to produce a lot better article. Medical supply, mountain, home. Okay, so medical equipment, home, medical supplies and device, home care, what medical supplies you should have at home. So this is a long tail keyword which you can use as the title as well. What medical supplies should you have at home? So it will suggest you better keyword which you can use in your landing page. Okay, so keywordtoolfree.com. And again, going back to our article, going back to our landing page, so it's almost done. So what you have to do is go to all landing pages, and then here grab this one, because this will be our the URL that we will be using to promote in Bing ads. So here in Bing ads, what you need to type here is home doctor PDF. As you can see, it has got a lot of good keywords that we can use. So make sure you don't use free, because of course we are selling stuff and we don't want people searching for free. And you can use this, you can use this, home doctor book sale, home doctor book review. Here it's really good keyword. Home doctor buy, order home doctor book, it's really good. Home doctor practical guide book, home doctor book, home doctor practical guide. So lots of keywords which you can use for to promote this product. Okay, and then once you have all these keywords to easily do that is click this, add select save to my account. Okay, click that, and here add to create a new campaign, and then name your campaign book home doctor. All right, and then your budget, let's say 50 per day, and let's set a default bid 0.20 and save and continue. Now it will allow it will redirect you. It will have this pop-up which you can click to create your ads. So here you can easily just click this to create an ad within that within those keywords that you already selected. So select the group, this one, and very easy. of course, paste the URL that we have here. Again, copy that and go back to here, and very easy. So here, as you can see, since this landing page is already live, it can suggest you better headlines which you can use in no time. Where there are no doctor book, medical doctor, find no doctor. So because it's trying to detect that we are offering booking appointment for a doctor. So what you can do is first type in the product here, home doctor. Okay, let's grab more information about this from here. So here, as you can see, home doctor practical guide. So that's the name of the product. We can use that, practical guide. Okay, perfect. And then the rest you can add here. You can complete this, and then the description, of course. And if you are wanting to have a better headline, so again, come back to the Textify. There is this add tools where it can suggest you ads headline. So you just need to put that and compose headline. As you can see, it will give you some good idea on the headlines that you can use for your campaign. Okay, so use that, and of course there is also a description which you can also use to make your life a bit easier. Okay, same thing which you can put everything here to complete your campaign, as long as you have those keywords those winning keywords that we selected earlier in the campaign. Hopefully we can make some sales. So again, so try doing this, and make sure you properly make the landing page and put more information about this product. And there's no guarantee that you can make sale, but there's a high chance that this product is a winning product. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you like this and you learned something from this video. I'll be leaving all the free tools that I've used on the description below. Okay, thank you for watching.